This is a proof of concept of a simple supply chain system which is built on Hyperledger Fabric. So, in this network we have three kinds of peers. There is a warehouse peer, there is a collection center peer, and there is a customer peer. All right. So, a warehouse. So uh, this peer initiates the order. All right, so there will be some kind of product that we are trying to transfer through this supply chain. Warehouse is from where the order is confirmed, and there will be multiple collection centers, each represented by a peer in the network, where through which the product uh, has to go before reaching the customer's hand, and the customer is the one who is responsible for placing the order, and he receives the product. Alright, to show a demo, in the warehouse, after receiving an order, it will initiate the order first. So let's have uh, a package ID of PCK100, and so currently the status is order received. So if I'll just submit the query, okay, updated PCK100. Alright, so if I am the customer, and if I'll just go and check what the status of my current order is, if I could just type in my order ID PCK100 and I'll just submit. Okay, so the package is now at the warehouse. Status is order received, last updated on 5th May 2018. So this is 12:45 at my place. All right, so in the warehouse, once the order is received, it packs the product and dispatches the product. All right, so from the warehouse, let me just update the status of our product. So the package ID is PCK100 and the status is updated to dispatched. Okay, so if the customer now checks the status of his package, okay, the package is at warehouse and the status is dispatched and last updated on 5th May 12:46. All right, so consider the situation. So there is a warehouse, and before reaching the customer, it has to go through one collection center. So on receiving the package, the collection center updates the status of the package. So from the collection center, let me just update the status of the package. So it's PCK100 is the package ID and the status is received. So if I'll just submit the query, okay, it's updated. And if the customer now checks the status, so PCK100, so the package is now at the collection center and the status is updated on 12:47 p.m. and 12:47 a.m. actually. Let me just, okay, after receiving the collections and receiving the product at the collection center, it just sends the product out for delivery. So let me just update this PCK100 and the status is out for delivery. If I just the query, and if the customer now checks the status, package is at collection center, status is out for delivery and last updated on 5th May and it's 12:48. So this is basically the demo. All right, so we have three peers: the warehouse, the collection center, and the customer, and every peer can update the blockchain. All right, so we have an asset called the package, and this each peer in the blockchain updates the asset, and the status of the asset at any time can be fetched from the blockchain. An important aspect of using blockchain for supply chain or any other application would be data provenance, because if I'll just enter the package ID PCK100 and submit. Okay, I'll just refresh PCK100 and submit query. Every change that this package has been through can be obtained from the blockchain, and it stays there forever, and it cannot be changed. All right, so so this transaction has changed the status of the package at this time. The time is denoted in Unix timestamp. It can be translated to uh, any time zone. All right, so this transaction changed the status to dispatched. All right, so every change, each so we changed the package's status like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times, and every change that has occurred to the package is there in the blockchain. So that's one important aspect of using blockchain for such a service, because every change that has been to a particular digital asset can be traced. If